how to reset TikTok password. So let's see in this video. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Soon after opening, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok, where you'll be able to see the various TikTok videos. So in order to reset your TikTok password, you need to tap on the profile option in the right bottom corner. And here you'll be able to see the sign up option. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for login option in the bottom corner in red color. After that, here you need to tap on use phone or email or username option at the first box. After that, you need to switch to the email or username option in the right hand side. And here you need to go for forget password option. You need to select whether you want to continue the process with phone number or email. Here I am going for phone number. After that, in this text box, you need to enter your phone number with which you want to continue this process. After that, you have to go for send code option. And you need to wait for a few seconds. Here you will be able to receive a code on the mobile number that you have entered. And you can see I have received a code. You have to simply copy it and paste over here. After that, you need to enter the password that you want to set. But before resetting, you need to know that the password must be at least of 8 characters with 1 letter and 1 number. The passwords also must include 1 special characters, example hashtags, question marks, exclamatory marks and all. And soon after setting, you can go for login option, and by doing that you can see new password has been set. So by following this simple step, you can reset TikTok password. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any videos on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.